Arrive in style with this Ram 2020 3500 Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include bright white clear coat, engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel included, selective catalytic reduction, dual 730 amp maintenance-free batteries, Cummins turbo diesel badge, heavy-duty engine cooling supplemental heater, gross vehicle weight, 12,300 pounds, current generation engine controller, diesel exhaust brake, capless fuel fill with O discriminator, chrome appearance group included, bright rear bumper, chrome grille, surround matte black mesh with chrome grille, bright front bumper, rear wheelhouse liners, LED bed lighting, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, diesel gray black HD vinyl, 40/20/40 split bench seat, gross vehicle weight, 14,000 lbs, and front and rear rubber floor mats. If you are